Good morning, everyone. So it is Wednesday, I don't even know, September 4th. So I had full intentions of filming yesterday, and I did sort of film right after I ran. But then we had dinner, and I totally spaced on filming because we were in a rush to go over to a friend's. So, anyways, yesterday I went for, I went for a run. And then I came home and had some Prove It Protons as my drink for the day, my ketone drink, but I also had protein in it as well. And then for supper, because I wasn't really hungry after having the protein shake, we just had salmon with swerve brown sugar and sriracha sauce kind of swirled on it, and cauliflower rice. And that was it. We didn't really eat a whole lot, or I didn't eat a whole lot yesterday, just because I wasn't really super hungry. So this morning, I'm just waiting to go to work right now. I probably will leave in about 15 minutes. And I'm just drinking Swiss cacao ketones this morning. And just sort of getting myself sorted and ready for today. I have a ton of things that I want to get done in my sewing room today, this afternoon. And I also want to go for another run this afternoon. And so I will see. I'm probably going to go to the restaurant and do lunch, and then come home, change, go for my run, and then do all the things in my sewing room. Or I will come home and do all the things in my sewing room and then go for a run later this evening when it's a little bit cooler. It is cool today anyways. I wore my jacket this morning. We had a meeting, and so we just we went to the meeting, and then we came home, and Chris had breakfast, and I just sort of got everything ready for this afternoon, and then that's it. So I think I'm going to get finished ready. Oh man, I'm super tired. Getting up at 6:30 is not my cup of tea at all. At least right now, anyways. I mean, when you own a restaurant and your schedule is not an early schedule, it is hard to get up early, super early. So I may come back and have a nap. Who knows? If things change. But yeah, so I'm just going to go and do that. Today, I think I'm going to make something with ground beef. I'm not exactly sure. Chris suggested meatloaf. I'm not a huge meatloaf fan, but I'm not sure what to make out of the ground beef. So we will see. Maybe I'll just do, I don't know. Maybe I'll do taco. No, because we did taco chicken. I'm not really sure. I do have to run to the grocery store, though. I do need some yogurt and maybe a couple of veggies. But other than that, I'm just I just have a few things I need to get done, and then I will come home and figure out what is for dinner. So I haven't decided yet. I don't even know what I'm having for lunch yet. I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to make a chicken sandwich out of an egg waffle or a chaffle or whatever you want to call them, because that's just easy. And yeah, so I'm not sure, but I will see you guys when I decide what I'm gonna eat. Talk to you later. Hey guys, Lindsay here. I am just having lunch. I'm having leftovers from last night. So this is the sriracha salmon, and I added some avocado on the top just to get the heat from the sriracha to go away. Excuse me, because it's a little spicy. So yeah, so I'm gonna have that for lunch, and I will see you guys when we make dinner. Hey guys, so I went for a swim and about an hour, did lots of laps, and then we decided to go out for dinner to the Canadian Brew House. I got a taco salad with extra chicken, added olives, and no salsa. The reason why I didn't film at Canadian Brew House is it was really loud and pretty dark. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.